At Rogers Park Montessori, the teachers and the administrators spend quite a bit of time thinking about new trends in education. We hear buzzwords like problem solving and rigor and mindfulness. And I think back to the environment that Maria Montessori designed for our students more than 100 years ago. And I think about the ways that these new educational trends are baked into her ideas. If we think about mindfulness, which has gotten quite a bit of press lately, I think immediately about the silence game that the children participate in the Children's House. They take a moment at the end of each day, draw a slow, intentional breath, and build silence as a community. Seems to me that's a mindful practice. I think about the new bent towards problem solving and the 21st century skill that our students will need as they enter a new workforce. And I think about the ways in which Maria designed the materials to address the same problem from a number of different angles. So I think a lot about the ways in which education has changed over the years and have a lot of gratitude for the work that Maria did to set the stage for us as educators.